Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need admin rights and a basic backup. Once you have those, open Start and type, create a restore point. Click the Matching System Properties entry. You're directly at the System Protection tab now. Make sure the correct drive is selected under Protection Settings. If protection is off for the OS drive, you can't remove points because none exist. If it's on, proceed. This is where you manage restore points and configure disk space. Keep following to delete everything safely. You're in Configure for the selected drive. Click Delete to remove all existing restore points for that drive. This is the only built-in delete all action. Confirm the prompt. Windows will clear all snapshots immediately. Once done, adjust the max usage slider to reclaim or reserve disk space. Lowering it prevents large future accumulations. You can also turn off system protection to stop new points, but be aware that turning it back on will start fresh points again. After deleting, click Apply and OK to persist settings. You've removed the restore points for that drive. To further free space, run disk cleanup, choose Cleanup System Files, and remove shadow copies and previous Windows installations. If the delete button fails or restore points reappear, run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health as admin, reboot, then retry the delete sequence. If problems continue, ensure no third-party backup tools are locking snapshots before contacting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.